Ugandans, we need to adapt really fast. Like really fast. This AI stuff that we keep saying and keep, it's not just a joke. You have no idea how many people are about to be put out of work. Not out of work, but jobs are about to become relevant. See, when you're in New York, like, you don't get to see, but, most things start here and in Cali, and, they get spread out to the rest of America and the rest of the world. So I've seen what these things are doing. Chill the chat GPT, the whatever they use. It's like, way more. All the telecom companies right now, you don't talk to a human. By the time you get to talk to a human, it's like, and they are really good. It's not even that, it's how good they are that's scary. You see, that's just one sector. I can't even. Anyway, so the whole point of this video is we need to adapt. We need to not adapt, but we need to account for this. Because for the first time ever, this is something that's at the foundation. It's start, okay, and we have a chance to also be at that foundation. So no one knows. It's a whole new field. AI is a whole new field. LLMs is a whole new field. It's growing as we go. It's being created as we go. People are learning as we go. It's not that there's something that we found and there's a right or wrong way. No. So we also have a chance to be part of the foundation because there is no foundation. And it's simple stuff. Just find all the schools should find like a part in their syllabus or one free 40 minutes per week and just have someone, you can Google these things and put together a 10-point presentation, PowerPoint about these things and then teach your kids. Just start there. It's not the best, but it's a good start. Just start there and just, let kids get exposed. Not just, hey, here's ChatGPT, use it. No, just here's the background, here's what LLMs are, here's how they work, here's an overview, just a brief. It's more than enough. It's not being in the conversation at all. So that's what I would suggest we do because we need to start doing something. Things are moving really fast. Really fast. Faster than we realize. And by the time we realize, to be like, waiting about, because here it's already here. So, but that side waiting about 2 years, 2 to 4 years. When now the things that are here are being spread out to the rest of the world and the products are coming and, that's when we start panicking. And of course, panicking never really helps because again, it's panicking. The rest of the world has already started without doing that lot. So, we need to do something. I don't know what, but something. Just start anywhere. The things they're teaching, they are not anything that is not online. All of us can access this information. Every school, every whatever can go online, get this information and just try to give their kids some, I don't know what, but at least something. It's not. Just start there. And then maybe in 12, not even 12, maybe in 3-4 years, at least those kids would have an idea instead of just not being part of the conversation at all. Universities should be the ones actually doing this the most. Just give people something. Doesn't matter what. No one knows what the thing is as of now. That's even the good thing. Doesn't matter what the thing is because no one knows what the thing is. We're just building as we go. The entire human race is building as we go. The entire So just also go along. Hey, what are that potential? Start there. Do that. So then teach them. It's that simple. So at least you don't totally get left out of the conversation because things are moving too fast that if you get left out of the conversation, catching up. Anyway, it's not a long one, but please allow both institutions, whoever, schools go on, universities, lecturers, professors, adjunct professors, whoever is teaching, please find some time, go online. You need to know these things. Like for teaching these things, also don't know these things. Again, it's not like there's a standard or there's a right or wrong. It's a new field for each and every. Wow. If you can see that. Take a picture of this. It's a self. Anyway, bye.